Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite smoothies. I use this smoothie as a post-workout smoothie, and it just gives me so much energy and it's so tasty, and I just wanted to share it with you today. It's very easy. Everything is going to go into the Vitamix. So let me show you what we're going to be putting into the smoothie today. So the first thing I like to start with is a couple cups of soy milk. And I know soy gets a bad rap, but soy is really good, especially if you get the organic and non-GMO. It's a great source of plant protein, so we're going to put that in here. The next thing we're going to add is a couple tablespoons of hemp seeds. I get the organic, and this is a great source of your omega-3s and 6s. It's a great source of iron, and you get some protein too, and this just makes it really creamy. So a couple tablespoons of that. I also like to put in a couple tablespoons of PB2, which is dried peanut butter. I like this sugar-free. It's sweetened with monk fruit, so you're not getting any of the sugar some of the other dried peanut butters have. So a couple tablespoons of that. And then for my protein powder, I just love this Arbonne protein powder. To me, it's one of the best protein powders there are. It's so smooth, you don't get that grittiness. It's got 20 grams of protein, plus a million other things, all kinds of vitamins, zinc. What else we have in B12? We have selenium, copper, manganese, chromium. This is just really tasty. So we're gonna put a couple scoops in here. And this comes in chocolate and vanilla, but I love the vanilla. I'll put a link to this in my description box. And then I like to put in some kale or spinach. I like to change up my greens because you can have some certain oxalates build up in your system, and that can lead to kidney stones, and nobody wants that. So I'm just gonna add a handful of kale, and it's a great way to get some greens in. And I like to build my smoothie in this order because I like to put the liquid in first, then the dry, then the greens, and then I have a half a frozen banana, and that kind of holds everything down when you put the frozen stuff on top. I've got a quarter cup of wild blueberries. I like the wild. To me, I like the taste better. They're smaller. And that is it. So we're gonna pop this on the Vitamix and let it blend for a couple of minutes, and then we'll be ready to taste. Okay, we're all done blending. Let's taste. Let's give it a taste. Yes, it's so good, so refreshing. It tastes like a milkshake. And like I said, I go to the gym, I come home, I make this smoothie, and this will hold me till lunch easily. It's just packed full of protein and all kinds of nutrients. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you.